So in this video, I'm going to share with you some top changes I've seen that Google has actually made on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. So if you are new here, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So when Google Pixel 6 was released last year, there were lots of top features this phone actually brought, and some of them were the magic eraser with the camera and all. But then there was another top feature that was added in the front facing camera, which is called speech enhancement. So when you are actually shooting a video with a front facing camera and then you turn on speech enhancement, it's actually going to cut all the noise in the background for you, and you can see right here this is off and then it's on. But then you were not having access to just get it in the rear camera. So Google has actually made changes, and then now the rear camera actually supports speech enhancement, and that is basically very cool, because I actually made a video talking about it, that Google should actually listen to us and then make the rear camera also support speech enhancement. So when I actually updated my Google camera, in case you have not yet updated it and you are using the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, you should do so. And then you try turning on speech enhancement, you can see that it limits it to HD and then also 30 frames per second. So when you turn it to 4K, it's actually going to turn it off automatically. But when you turn to HD or 1080p, you can turn on speech enhancement, and that is pretty much very cool. So with this speech enhancement, it actually cuts all the noise in the background when you're actually shooting a video. So this is really going to help with the vlog style people, in case maybe you shoot videos around where there is noise and all. This is actually going to cut a lot of noise. And in my next video, which I'll talk about Google Pixel 6, I'm actually going to do a vlog style video to show you guys how the noise is being cut out of the video when you're using speech enhancement with the front facing camera and the rear camera, because I already did a video for the front facing camera, but I'll just add it up to the next video I'm actually going to shoot. So this is one of the best things that Google has actually added to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. And in case maybe you are having one of these phones right here and then you are seeing this feature already in your rear camera, you can just state in the comment section how you think this feature is, and that's going to be very helpful, because it probably might be one of the features people will consider in case they want to get a Pixel 6 or 6 Pro. So I think the next thing we're actually going to fight for is Google making it support the 4K resolution, so that we can just shoot videos in 4K with speech enhancement activated, and that is basically very cool. So you can just check out right here. It's great for capturing clear speech in noisy locations. So you can see right here, reduce unwanted noise like wind, traffic, and then crowd. Work best with a single speaker. So you can see right here, this is without speech enhancement, right? And this is with speech enhancement. So that is basically very cool. So in case you didn't know, Google has actually updated this to the rear camera. I'm actually throwing light on it for you guys, so you can just check it out and then also use, and then come state in the comment section how it was helpful for you. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I have a lot more I'm going to share with you. And you can check out this video right here in case you want to know more tips and tricks about the Pixel 6, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.